Hello folks, this is Liu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish is called the fried sweet corn, cucumber, and carrots with pine nuts. Chinese name called 松仁玉米. The main ingredients we need a bag of sweet corn, per 1/3 of cucumber, and one small carrot, and half bag. We probably use half bag of pine nuts. Those are main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay. We cut the cucumber. We don't need this much cucumber. We cut the both part off. We probably just need 1/3 of cucumber. Then we just cut it. Cut it like this. Cut it small. So the final will be like this. This is the cucumber we get. Okay, we cut the carrots. This carrot already peeled the skin, so we cut this part off and the bottom part off. Don't need it. Now we cut it from the middle, and we cut it also from half, and we also cut it like this. Half, another half, then we cut it. So the final will be like this. This is the carrots we get. We add the carrots into the boiling water to cook it until the carrot turns soft but still a little crunchy. We don't want too soft. Okay, we can see we try the carrots. The carrots are ready. Turn off the stove. It's get tender and but still crunchy. We drain the water and add the carrots into the cold tap water to soak in the cold tap water until we use. Turn on the stove. High fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. Don't add too much. And rinse in the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the corn into the oil. And slowly cook it and stir fry. Slowly stir fry until the corn is fully cooked. While the corn is roasting, we make starch water. We add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch into a 1/4 cup of water and make a starch mix and add the 1 teaspoon of cornstarch into a 1/4 cup of water and mix it. Okay, let the starch all dissolve and we put it aside to use for later. We can try the corn. The corn right now is fully cooked. We add drained water carrots into it. This is the salt. We add 1 teaspoon salt to it. Don't add too much. This is the soy sauce. We add a pinch of 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. This is a chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it. Don't want too much. Pinch. Okay. Now we add a cucumber into it. This is the pine nuts. We add half bag of pine nuts to it. Probably a quarter cup, I think. And stir fry. This is the starch water. Now we add it to it. Add some, don't add all once. Add the rest to it. All kind of thing. And the third, turn off the stove. Okay. So this dish is done. Okay, we'll put it into the plate. Now we add it to a plate. Now the fried corn, sweet corn, cucumber, and carrots with pine nuts. This dish is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.